everyone, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jane and you're welcome to my space. So guys, today I'm going to be doing something that I've always wanted to do, which is relaxing my natural hair. Honestly, I don't know my hair type till now, but I think I have a 4C or 4B hair. I don't know, but it's just a type 4 hair anyways. My hair is pretty long, pretty thick, dark in color. I think I have cut my hair like 2 times. It got damaged at some point because of relaxer, so I cut it off and I started afresh again. I think I started going natural since SS1. I was natural for about 2 years, and when I got into uni I relaxed my hair. So since then it's been a bit of higgy haga with my hair. In 2018 I decided to cut my hair, so I cut my hair off, and since then I've been natural. Just say I've been natural for 5 years, don't make it 6 years, but yeah, it's technically 6 years, but just make it 5 years. I've been natural, and you guys, I feel like I'm in bondage. It's always difficult to figure out what I want to do with my hair. If you're a fan of having natural hair, do it. If you've admired my hair for the longest time, I'm sorry I'm about to break your heart. I'm not doing it in a salon or anything like that. I'm going to be doing it in my house. So my auntie is good at this and she'll be doing it for me. At this point you'll be like, you know, they go anywhere, because the last time I pierced my ear, I pierced it at home. So yeah, it's one of those things, one of the perks of living in Nigeria. I'm just tired of struggling with what I want to do with my hair all the time. I'm really frustrated about that, so I'm more like trying to give myself freedom. I'm going to be relaxing my natural hair. I'm using Mega Growth because this is my first time and I want it to be perfect. So yeah, that being said, guys, let's get to work. My auntie is waiting and she's looking at me like, what is this girl doing? I think the rest of this video is going to be a voiceover, and please make sure to give the video a thumbs up so it can reach other people, and I'll see you guys shortly. So quick switch is, this is what we have under. So I have to take this out and say I'm not losing this hair. I have to take this out first. At this moment, I started preparing myself for this new journey where I get to relax my natural hair, guys. I was really overthinking this, but you know what? It was too late for me to change my mind because my auntie was already set to start relaxing my hair. So she's divided my hair into 3 parts, the last one at the back and 2 in front. Then she went ahead to add the relaxer, guys. To be honest, I wish she had detangled my hair at first, but she didn't. She just went in with the relaxer and she started relaxing them section by section, you know, keep reapplying it, and then finally she, you know what they do, like combing your hair into parts so that the relaxer can get into everywhere. That part where they start massaging your hair, my loves, is so good. It's so therapeutic, guys. I enjoy that part. I feel like that's my favorite part when it comes to relaxing my hair. So that also requires a lot of energy, to be honest, because my aunt, she was doing it with my hair, so she was combing them in parts, and this took a while. This took a long while. So at the end of the day, she just put everything together in one bun and let my hair stay for a while. Another thing I would say she didn't do is, you know, when they put petroleum jelly or like hair food around your edges when they're about to relax your hair, she didn't do all of that. She skipped that method. So this is what it's looking so far, and you know, she just kept on. Guys, when she raised this hair, I was like, my hair is this long? I was also expecting like a really long hair at the end of the day, but let's see how that played out, my loves, because let's say maybe this was what this is what I got, but I'm not so sure about it. But let's see. But I'm loving the length of my hair, you guys. Enough energy when it comes to this massage thing, like, just see that. So yeah, when we're done, I went ahead to go and wash my hair in the bathroom. So I've showed you guys in the vlog some of this product. I bought the charcoal and argan oil shampoo, and I use this hydrating hair mask. I also use this shampoo as well, conditioner, sorry, from the same brand. All details will be in the description box. So normally you're supposed to use hot water to wash your hair. We forgot last minute and we just had to use cold water, guys, to be honest. So this is my hair. It get as it be. Anyways, so she washed it twice with shampoo, did a hair mask, and then conditioned my hair as it should be. And it was just a quick wash, honestly. It didn't take so much time, but overall I liked how she washed my hair. Really neat, like really neat. The maxing of your hair after relaxing is so good, guys. It just keeps your hair hydrated even before you start applying hair food and the rest of it. So I loved that process when it came to washing my hair. Next after that was just me drying off my hair. I don't like a lot of heat in my hair, so I didn't want to straighten my hair. For some people, they would like to straighten after washing their hair or relaxing their hair, but I've never been a heat girl on my hair, so that part I skipped. I just put my hair in a pony. Well, my hair didn't cut a lot prior to, you know, them telling me how like mega growth cuts hair is good to relaxing hair, but it cuts your hair a lot. But I didn't experience that, so my hair apparently came out the same length. Also, the tips did not really relax as much as they should, so that is one thing that maybe affected the length of my hair. Some parts relaxed really well and some parts didn't. If you look closely in this video, you will see. So I just applied some hair food, edge control, not edge control, sorry, oil for my edges. It helps grow my edges and my, you know, lashes and brows. I use that for those purposes, and guys, it was so good. So yeah, let me know if you enjoyed this video and if you'll be relaxing your hair. If you have questions for me, leave it in the comment section, and make sure to thumbs up this video and share. Subscribe to my channel if you're new.
Touching on my leg, you ain't in different. What we doing here ain't nobody's business. It's all sweet, but it tastes like cinnamon. But you won't say what's on your mind. Don't gotta say what you think I like. 'Cause you're what I like, yeah. I could be wasting a day with you and it's fine with me. The whole world could be fucked outside, but when we in this shit, everything just fades away. Put you on fade away. Everything just fades away. Put you on fade away. And everything falls into place. It's not one thing that you do, but time is precious, wanna spend it with you. You know it's good if you wanna come through. Get in my space, make you wanna stay. Everything just fades away. Put you on fade away. Everything just fades away. Put you on fade away. And everything falls into place.
Guys, so I'm finally done with my hair. I actually love the outcome. I love that hair is sleek compared to the mouth, because I'm going to be trimming the mouth out, so that's fine. Anywho, natural hair could never give you this look, never ever give you this sleek pony without so much work. Okay, this was the easiest pony to do. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. All product that I use for my hair will be linked in the description below if you're interested. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.